Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. Now in this video, I am going to show you how to insert new page to exciting document in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Google Docs app. Then open your extracting document. Then firstly go to your document last, then go to the insert menu, go to the break option and click page break. Now again go to the insert menu, go to the break and again click page break. Now here you can see insert new page to existing document in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.